friend of mine the other day and I were talking about how we synchronize our footage. And in Premiere, I told him that you can easily just synchronize them. It does it for you. Anyways, how about if I show you? And then I'm going to send this to him later on. So anyways, here I have my 2 tracks, and just select them, and there's synchronize. So main channel is 1, so let's try that. There you go. I noticed about 90% of people watching my content are not even subscribed. You don't really like what you see. You could share it with maybe somebody that you don't really like anyways, maybe an ex or some kind of enemy. But if you do like this kind of stuff, I would ask you if you could please subscribe, like, share with maybe somebody that you do like. That would be much appreciated.